babes, how are you? This is your girl J Baby and welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be on a Samsbeauty wig. Now I got my box right here and I'm about to cut it open with you guys. So I have not even cut it open, y'all, so I don't even know what wig I am going to be wearing. So y'all, welcome back to the channel, and I hope you guys have been fabulous. I hope you guys have been blessed. I hope you guys have been enjoying life. I have been. I will explain to you guys where I have been in another video, but it's not going to be on this video right here. But I want to thank you all for who have been contacting me, asking, Jay, where are you? We miss you. So these wigs come from Samsbeauty. So what I'm going to do, actually, I should just take the top one off and just do the top one. This one is a short wig, so let's just do the top one. And I'm not even gonna open up the other ones and let you see, but I have 3 of them. So I'll just take the top one, and you guys know I didn't even know that was right there. So we're gonna randomly take one. And this one right here is the Studio Cut Natural Deep Part Lace Wig. It's modern and fabulous studio fix by pros. And it says that this is the style DPL012. I got the color 1. And this is what she looks like right here. So, oh, she's pretty short. Okay, I wanted a short wig along with some long wig. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Along with some longer ones. Y'all know I got longer ones in there because I love long wigs. Okay, so this is the parting space right here. It's shaped like that. This is the inside construction of the wig. You have that much lace. There's a lace frontal right there. This is your parting space. You have the combs right here. And the front area right here. Oh, okay. It's only one. It's only one up in the front right there. Huh. So that would be just right there. Am I looking at that right? Yes. There's only one that is, wow. I thought it was like 2. You know how sometimes they usually come with 2. So it's only one right there. And there's one in the nape area. But I love this style. I'm going to go ahead on and make sure to, wow, show you all the specs. It says ear to ear soft Swiss lace. Now, of course, I'm gonna have to do something with the color of the lace. That's fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop her on. Okay, now this says that it's pre-plucked with baby hairs. As far as the pre-plucking, I don't see pre-plucked right there. I don't see that. It's pretty thick right here. But what I'm going to do is probably bring it. Now, I see that, okay, yeah, she did it the same way. But this is definitely going to have to be plucked in this area right here. She's pretty, though, but she needs some plucking done to her. I'm wondering if you even need to glue her down because she don't have no baby hairs or anything. But y'all know I'm gonna have to finesse her. So I wouldn't say she is a straight out the pack wig unless you like to wear her like this. But she is cute. I need my fan on, y'all. I'm hot. So let me get up close and personal and see this. Okay, if you can see, this is how she is. She's cute though. She's really cute. She has like, what's up with this? Okay. This is really long. This has to be cut off the back. Straight off the back. She's cute. I like her waves to her. She's like a little messy bob type thing. You know, we have a lot of strings going on. So let's just go ahead on and cut them. No bother with that. Other than that, she's cool. Yeah. She's really pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead on and probably, I don't know if I can take some of this out. What is this right here? Okay, so I can't really take too much of this out because it's like, the weft is right there. So I'm gonna go ahead on and just cut the lace off and see what we can do because She is pretty much like, I think she can lay down on her own without, I'm going to cut it pretty close because I don't want that lace to be showing at all. Okay, she is an ear to ear. Y'all know that I really do like baby hairs, but I gotta see if I can add some baby hairs to her because she is like almost like a straight across wig, really. And I probably do need to do some plucking to her. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna need to do some plucking because I don't like the straight across part. Okay, babes, what I did was, let me show you what I did. What I did was went on and plucked her. She looks way better than I plucked her. And I used some liquid gold, the Bold Hold liquid gold to put her down. So she is down pretty good. As far as plucking her, I want y'all to know that I did do some plucking, but the lace is right there, so you can't do a whole lot of plucking. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finesse her the best way I can. My main thing was to get this parting right here to be more bigger because, girl, we can't do that. But I do like this wig because it seemed like it's gonna be like easy. It's gonna be an easy wear. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some nutrient the lust. Anyway, I'm gonna take the wax stick, guys, and use it because I want her to be as flat as possible, because you don't want her, we know she's a wig, but we don't want her to look wiggy. So I'm gonna do that, and I want to take my hot comb into, actually, you know what, let me comb this through, brush it through a little bit, because you see how thick and wiggy she is. I don't want it like that. I want it to be as flat as possible. Flat as I possibly can get her, because you know she's synthetic. So being that she's synthetic, honey, you know, synthetic already has its own shine to it and everything. So I want her to at least look as flat as she possibly can look. And I'm going really deep in there, not just on the surface. Even though I feel the wefts, I'm still going in there because, girl, we cannot have no wig that's sitting on your head looking too wiggy. On the top, just sitting up. We don't want that. So even with that right there, it's cute. Now I will finesse and bring these little waves back because I really do like the waves. Now this right here, this is where I'm gonna put like a little small baby hair or something right there. Okay, girl, I hate the squeaking chair. Okay, I'm trying not to go down in this area where the waves at. If y'all hear anything, I have my patio door open. Try to get a little bit of air in here. I don't see her name on here. It's just say the style is DPL. That's it. But she's cute. I like that color that she has on. But y'all know I love black hair. That's what I'm gonna start doing when I get my human hair wigs, or if I feel like to. Is this in? Or if I feel like to go and get all of my wigs and to redo them black, I really would love to do that. But honey, that's a lot of wigs to kind of like redo. I would really have to take maybe a month to, you know, to sit and redo all those wigs. Oh, I see right here where it's like, is this like baby hair thing? So you see some of the shorter areas right here? I didn't see that earlier. So let's continue. She is a little shiny though, but you can like take that down with a little bit of dry shampoo. Okay, let's see. Let me turn this fan on, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some music on because I need to put this fan on. Y'all, the fan not gonna work. So, I mean, she's cute and everything, but she really is cute. She really is. I'm trying to decide whether I want to like just put her over there like that. Where's my comb? Let me use this brush for a second. I don't know if I want even if I want baby hairs. Well, I mean, it's probably would be cute with baby hairs, but I'm kind of like feeling her like so though, y'all, like this. Yeah, I'm feeling her like this. She's cute. Okay, I think I can get away with her like this without do I need a baby hair right there? Y'all, I don't think I even need a baby hair. She's cute. So I think I like her like this, y'all. Yeah, she is really cute. Yeah, you see her? She is a cutie. Okay. So, what I'm going to do is probably leave her like this. Why not? You know? Why not? Let me see if I can put her to the side. Even if you want to put her to the side and put like little baby hairs down, you can. Oh, she's versatile like that. She's cute. Yes. I like it that it's not a whole lot of hair all over the place, okay? Because I think as the older I get, you know, the more... I love long hair, but sometimes I get tired. So what I'm doing right now is I'm pulling like longer strings. She's cute. She's cute. Okay, so I would either wear her like so, like this, y'all. She is cute. She got some bounce to her too. She is cute. This is one of them nice hairstyles. Yeah, I mean, it is something you have to do like as far as the partying and stuff like that. Now, I know she may look a little, coming off a little white. So let's go ahead on and maybe, I do have this this lace tint mousse, but girl, this stuff be like, like to me. So I don't know, do I want to? Yeah, I do. I'll be back, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I have my Anastasia contour kit, and let me see what shade should I use. I'm gonna go with this one right here and see first, because I don't want her to be too... Oh, that is so dark. Oh, that is so dark. Oh, that is dark. Yeah, that is really dark, but it's okay. We just kind of like, Okay. Well, I mean, she's okay. I look like I need to pull a couple more pieces out of the way, because I think I done, girl. Yeah. Maybe right here. Okay, I'm not cutting it. I'm not taking any more because I don't want to mess her up to the point where I don't have nothing left. Anyway. All right, so this is the finished look. I like her. Let me go and slide on some clothes or something, y'all. Well, I do have on my caftan, so she's cute. All right, y'all, so we are done, and I really do like her. I like her. I like her. I am going to sport her for today. She's cute. Now, I'm not going to put no baby. I'm not going to put it down. I want like a natural type look here, y'all. I don't you know, because I don't have baby hairs up here, I'm not going to go and swoop that. No. I think she's really cute. I love the bounciness to her. I love the fullness to her. She is really cute. Like I said, you do want to finesse the part though, guys, because it's too small, and it would look more wiggy, you know, but she's sophisticated now. She's like, you know, really like woman, like sophisticated, womanly, like, y'all know what I mean, girl. What am I trying to say to you? Okay, but I love this for me. She is beautiful. You can like kind of like play around with her little her little bangy like type situation. You can, whatever it is, you can play around with it, girl. You can play around with it and just be flirty. That's the word I'm looking for. You could be flirty with this hair. She's really beautiful, y'all. So you can have her behind your ear like a little flirty look, little sophisticated flirty look, or you can either just take her from behind there and just, you know, have her like, you know, nice little fluffy bob. Like, oh, she's cute. I'm loving this side part right here, y'all. This is for me right here. I like it when she's right there. So what I did was took the liquid gold away because I didn't want it down on my hair like this. I wanted to wear it because I know I'm gonna wear it this way. I wanted to wear it so it's natural like, so I just lifted it up, you know, took it from the glue from there, that way I can put it behind here and kind of like make it look a little natural right there, but it is down on the other side. All right, y'all, so that is my review unboxing. I did an unboxing, I did a review, and I did a style. Okay, yes, I did all three of them, y'all. Y'all, I miss y'all so much. I miss you so much. And Samsbeauty, thank you so much for sending me out this wig, girl. You glowing, okay? You glowing. That's what rest do for you, okay? All right, guys, so I will put everything you need there. I don't forgot, I ain't recording so long. I will put everything you need there in the description bar. That way you'll be able to go to Samsbeauty website and to check some of their wigs out, y'all. They have some fantastic wigs, okay? Fantastic, and they are very affordable. So you can be able to get your hand. Y'all, I'm loving this. I can't stop looking at myself. I'm blushing to myself. All right, so everything in the description bar. Any questions, any comments, anything you have on her, just let me know, and I will be sure to answer it for you. As well as I will be doing a video soon on where I've been, what's been going on with me, and a couple more videos is coming. So I'm back for right now, and I'm trying to stay back for right now. Okay. All right, guys. So be blessed and not stressed. Mwah.